Spanish pad, and at the expense. Oh, Alonso napping on it. Isco has stolen it. Ronaldo tried to poke it through. Away from Vidal, tried to play in Carvajal, free kick, and Arturo Vidal has a yellow card.
And listen.
Ronaldo into the wall. Ribéry. Alaba's a lovely return pass. Ribéry, brilliant block from Thiago. Robben!
What a block by Marcelo. What a block.
Lofsky. Vidal. Fierce hit.
Nice hit, wasn't it? Nice hit. Moved about a bit, just leaning back slightly as it rose up.
Down by Ramos and stolen by Thiago, and he set Robben on his way, and it was a very... Ribéry, he's done for Modric.
There's the nutmeg. Whoops.
Here's Ronaldo, face to face with Boateng. He does enough to hold him up, and finally snatched away by Luka Modric for Real Madrid. In the way, so with time to measure, Benzema! He's going to stumble through the centre circle and fed Ronaldo. Well, Ronaldo has seen Carvajal, and Carvajal's had a go! That's a crisp hit, and he's quite sure that Neuer touched it.
Yeah.
Flashed in by Carvajal, lost by Neuer. Ramos had a hit, and it is heroically blocked on the line by Boateng.
There's the mistake before by Neuer. Sergio Ramos.
Teasing Lahm. Beaming through the middle. Everybody's got a view of him now. Casemiro and Alonso claim the ball in a position just like this. Alonso whips it in.
And this is the last infringement there. Cristiano going down. Wasn't much of a push, but he's...
Lahm. Robben. Lewandowski bursting through. Hung up by Marcelo. Ronaldo was... Alaba couldn't get it clear. Benzema. Carvajal. Kroos!
This is Alaba trying to play out. And once it falls for Toni Kroos, he's normally the one with a little bit of guile.
Indeed from Modric, who's looked early for Ronaldo, and Bayern Munich are exposed here. Ronaldo fired it up Neuer and nearly got it. And he's fed Toni Kroos.
This is the night of the blocks. Great one again by Hummels.
Robben, Casemiro won't let him past. Alonso, Vidal, seen by Marcelo, but Vidal was fouled after the ball had gone.
Yeah, that was by Casemiro yet again, I think. He was very quick to book Arturo.
Free here. Marcelo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Casemiro. Nicked out as far as Toni Kroos. Carvajal. Just off Alaba. Came to Casemiro, who was robbed by...
I think it was more theatrical. And then the rolling over doesn't do him any.
First without swing. Repelled as far as Isco.
Cleared by Boateng. Touching hit. Neuer was a...
Alaba nudged off Modric and found Robben! Lifted off the line by Marcelo as time stood still.
To the net.
Robben, he's gone over. He's got a penalty.
There, once you dangle your foot in like that, it's dangerous, dangerous territory.
Lewandowski slots it, and it is on. It is on. Bayern need one more. Robben. Neatly in for Vidal. chance.
Panic
for Bayern
stations,
Munich.
isn't it? Panic stations for Real Madrid. That was a great chance by Vidal.
Saturday in La Liga, they conceded the first goal as well and went on to win it. Lahm with depth. Ribéry! Turn over the top and Lewandowski offside.
Just letting Boateng float one over there, and he was onside, to be honest, if you see Marcelo on the lines of the pitch.
Carvajal's just kept on going here, and he has support alongside. Provided by Casemiro, kept on going, fed it for Ronaldo! Of course! Of course! Cometh the hour! He's the man! Real Madrid found the way again.
Make some noise.
Hummels, Müller, Lewandowski, Ramos! Oh! Extraordinarily an own goal from Sergio Ramos! And Bayern Munich have their lead back on the night. We have absolute parity. Asensio. Set back for Marcelo. Neuer's in the way.
He has to be careful, Casemiro, doesn't he? He has to be careful, Casemiro.
He has been booked. Marcelo. Vasquez! Lewandowski, Robin.
That's going to go.
Oh, he's going to walk. He's going to walk, indeed. He is already walking before seeing the red card. Arturo Vidal.
Yeah, he won the ball.
Tahar. Drifted in by Thiago beyond.
Sergio Ramos goes down really easily there. There wasn't much contact.
Ronaldo had a pop
To do something positive.
Marcelo. Casemiro over Boateng.
Legs out, he's diving already, isn't he, Casemiro? He's going to ground already. See there, before the contact, he's fallen over.
Here goes Robin. Teasing Ramos. And feeding it for Douglas Costa, who found... Asensio, Vasquez. Asensio! Neuer plunged. A bit weary from Boateng.
Yeah.
Played in here for Cristiano Ronaldo. Vasquez. Ronaldo lashed at it. Ramos. Ronaldo!
Sergio Ramos, and he's offside. Wow, that's all you need. A great touch and great finish.
But the big ones have gone against Bayern.
He was offside.
Oh dear.
Whether that run, I think it's like Danny Carvajal takes Douglas Costa with him. But you see, Alaba's up with his arm in the air.
It's Marcelo again. A tank that never empties. Marcelo all the way. That's terrific. That's Ronaldo. That's the
Bayern shirts. Flick over. Is Ronaldo on side? It was close, wasn't it? It was close. You have to slow it down a bit, but he puts it on the play for Ronnie. Right footer this time. But how great is this? This is the left back. Flicked over. Thiago slows down. Puts it on a play for Ronaldo.
Asensio. Leaning away from a weary Hummels. Asensio! They're cruising away now. Real Madrid, the ultimate show club. Tease you and put you away.
Yeah, that was a lovely goal by Marco Asensio. But I think
the Showbiz Club has done it again. But the final score in this game doesn't come close to telling the whole story of this game. Real Madrid 4, Bayern Munich 2, Madrid 6-3 on aggregate.